Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm David, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been transforming the world of video production: the difference between AI editing and traditional editing. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone curious about how videos are made, you're in the right place. So, have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing the way we edit videos? Or maybe you've been curious about whether AI can really match the human touch. Well, let's explore these questions together. To start, let's break down what we mean by AI editing and traditional editing. What exactly sets them apart? First, let's talk about traditional editing. This is the process most of us are familiar with. It involves a human editor working with footage, selecting the best takes, and using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even DaVinci Resolve to craft a story. Traditional editing is a highly creative process. Editors bring their unique style and intuition into play. They consider pacing, emotional impact, and narrative flow. For example, think about a dramatic film scene. An editor might choose to cut from a close-up of a character's anxious face to a wide scene of the empty street outside to create tension. On the other hand, let's delve into AI editing. AI editing uses algorithms and machine learning to perform tasks that a human editor would typically do. This can include everything from automatically selecting the best shots to applying color correction and even creating rough cuts. For instance, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Sensei, and Magisto use AI to analyze the footage, identify key moments, and suggest edits. It's like having a smart assistant that can help you get started or streamline the editing process. But how effective is AI editing? According to a study by the International Journal of Information Management, AI can reduce the editing time by up to 50% in some cases. This means editors can focus more on the creative aspects of their work rather than getting bogged down in the technical details. Now, let's consider some specific examples to illustrate these differences further. Imagine you're editing a travel vlog. With traditional editing, you might spend hours sifting through footage, deciding which clips to keep, and arranging them to tell your story effectively. You'll be considering the rhythm of the cuts, the background music, and how to engage your audience. In contrast, with AI editing, you could upload all your footage and the AI might analyze it for you, suggesting a rough cut in minutes. It could recognize beautiful landscapes, exciting activities, and even moments of laughter to create a highlight reel. While AI can save time, it's important to note that it lacks the human touch. AI doesn't have emotions, it can't understand the nuance of storytelling in the same way a human can. It's like using a calculator to solve complex problems. It's efficient, but it doesn't provide the depth of understanding that comes with human experience. Moreover, AI editing tools are still learning. They rely on data and patterns from previous edits, which means they may not always make the best choices. For example, an AI might think a dramatic zoom-in is the perfect move for a touching moment, while a human editor might know that a slow fade would convey the emotion better. So, what does this mean for editors? Well, it's not about replacing traditional editing with AI. Instead, it's about using these tools to enhance the editing process. Editors can leverage AI for tasks like organizing footage or generating rough cuts, allowing them to spend more time on the creative aspects of storytelling. Let's also consider the cost implications. Traditional editing requires skilled labor, often necessitating hiring experienced editors, which can be costly. AI editing tools are often subscription-based, making them more accessible for new creators on a budget. This opens the door for more people to create content without needing extensive editing experience. In summary, both AI editing and traditional editing have their strengths and weaknesses. Traditional editing thrives on creativity and intuition, while AI editing excels in efficiency and speed. As content creation continues to evolve, it's clear that both methods will coexist, each complementing the other. So, whether you're an experienced editor or just starting out, there's a place for you in this exciting landscape. If you found today's video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And let us know in the comments, have you tried AI editing? What was your experience like? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.